Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch assembled LED TV with backlight related fault. Here we are going to repair this by using alternate backlight strips because the default backlights are not available. While repairing backlight-related fault, the permanent solution is replace entire backlights with new one to avoid future repetitions in that same complaint. So let's install and replace entire backlight. Finally, now the work is done. Now let's fix the panel, frame, panel, everything back to TV. Finally the work is done. Now we connected all sockets. Now let's turn on the TV and check picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.